Monday ba today? Yes, good morning guys. Hindi ko na-close yung vlog. Today is December 26. Kahapon hindi ko na na-close yung vlog guys. Kagigising ko lang. Natulog ako ng 5 o'clock. And ngayon 9 something na. Past 9 na ngayon lang ako nagising. Grabe, haba-haba ng tulog ko. And nandito yung mga bata. And si Jan, kinuha ni Jan yung Zach! Kinuha pala. Ayan na yung car ni Kuya, oh. Yung regalo ni Auntie Mel. And kinuha na ni Jan yung caravan. Kinuha niya guys yung caravan sa shed kasi magka-caravan kami sa January 1. Nagka-caravan kami for 1 week ata. Malapit lang sa may beach. Good morning! Wala din nila ako pinapansin. Babe, good morning! Hi Tom, Merry Christmas! Good afternoon na pala, sorry, good afternoon daw. Ang haba kasi ng tulog ko. Hindi naman, hi Fritz! Ayan yung mga bata, oh. Why, what time is it, Han? 12:01? No, it's not. What time is it? Oh, nearly 10. Almost. Haba talaga ng tulog. Hoy, Kuya, careful! 10 na pala, basta na. O, diba? Ako na talaga ang may pinakamahabang tulog. Deserve ko yung kasi sobrang pagod ko nung isang araw talaga kakaluto. Dito sila. Ang ganda ng weather. Medyo mahangin lang. Ang ganda ng regalo ni Auntie Mel. Ang bilis. Tingnan nyo. Kahit nasa mabato. O, diba? Bumili na yan si Jan ng battery kasi kahapon walang batteries. O, diba? Ooh, wow! Si Jan na lahan! Ah, si Kuya pala, si Kuya. Ayun yung kay Sak, oh. So yeah, good morning and Merry Christmas ulit. Oh! Wala, saan na sila? Phoenix na raw ni Holly yung bed niya. Pasok tayo. Ang tagal-tagal na natin hindi nakapasok sa caravan guys. Hindi ko pa tapos yung caravan life namin. Abangan nyo pa rin yung guys kasi ang daming magagandang activities ang ginawa namin doon. Tapos ngayon magka-caravan life ulit tayo. Hindi pa nga natapos yung aking vlog sa caravan life nung nag-caravan tayo. How was your bed? Oh yes! Linis.
Cleaned it.
Did you clean it? Wow, nice bed. Wow, Holly, you done it by yourself?
Yeah.
Wow, you got a lot of toys here already.
So I can snuggle up, and I got my light.
And then, ayan na.
I forgot what this is called.
That's the Udi. That's your Udi.
Udi, Dad said Dad thought it was a boogie.
Boogie is your kulangot. Okay, so this is the carbon, mag-ano lang ako, magpupunas lang. And that's my bed, and daddy's bed. Ang dami ko pang gamit dito, guys. Wala na kasi, hindi na kasi kasya to sa aking closet. Ayan, kaya dito ko na lang sila. Ayan yung mga blazers. Ang dami kong blazer, guys. Pati sa bahay, dami-dami, as in. Dami-dami. Yan kay Jan yan. And dito mayroon din. Ito pala akin pa to. O, diba? May mga nasa bag pa. And ito yung aking Prada na guys. Oh, bucket hat. Hindi ko pa ata ito nasa once. Nasot ko yata ito once. Not sure. Ayan siya. Okay. Oops, kita ba? Ayan. Bucket hat. Dito na lang yan kasi. Wala tayong mapaglalagyan sa kanya. So, yan. Nandito pa yung mga damit ko. And meron pa sa ilalim. Dito. Dami pa namin gamit dito, guys. Hindi na namin binaba kasi hindi na kasya sa bahay. Hindi pa bigat. Mga damit din yan. Mga damit ko yan, tsaka ni Jan. Diba, ang dami pang damit. And may mga sapatos din ako dyan. May dalawa akong bagong sapatos doon. Kita nyo yan. Yan, yung Nike. Yeah, dami pa nating gamit dito. So, hindi na ako magpapack kasi may damit naman tayo dito. Doon sa mga in-order ko sa Japan na mga goodies, ito lang ang pinaka-favorite ko. Yung cheese. So, meron pa tayo dito sa caravan. Meron pa sa caravan. And ito pa nga, oh, Japan ko to. Ayaw naman ng mga bata. Ayan. Mga Japan. Ah, eto. Akin to mga noodles. So, meron tayo dyan. Diba? And si Holly, ang dami ni Holly tumbler. Magaganda yung tumbler niya, oh. Rip curl, tapos Yeti. Yan. Diba? Si Holly na talaga madaming tumbler. So, yan. Yung pantry. Ay, andito pala may bihon pa tayo. Ayan, may bihon. Tapos may egg cracklets. Diba? And chocolates. Oh, dami ko pa palang food dito. So, hindi naman yan masisira. Kasi taon naman yan masisira. Kaya dito lang sila. Oh, mag-aalis tayo. Meron na tayong food. Dito wala na to. Wala na. Yung mga chips yung nandyan before. Ito, ayan. Mga pang, ano yan sa pagluluto. So, yan. Wala akong bra. Tingin tayo kung may bra ko dito. Ito yung ano to, swimwear. Hindi ko pa yan nasuot, guys. Na swimwear na yan. And dito, ayan. Ah, diba? Ayan, guys. Ang dami natin ditong bralette. Oh, socks, undies. So, ready na to. Ready na ako sa caravan life ulit. Ano dito? Oh, mga damit na never ko pa nasuot from Korea. Diba? Ang dami na pala akong damit. Hindi ko na talaga kailangan magsuot lang tayo ng bra kasi may mga tao dito kausap si Jan. Naka-PJs lang tayo. Ayan. Okay na. Hindi na ako magaganito. Pwede na tayong lumabas at makipag-usap sa kanila. Ayan. Ready na ang caravan, guys. Si Jan nilabas to kasi papalitan niya yung mga nilagay niya dito sa cabinet na yung nabili namin sa IKEA na eto ayaw to ni Jan. Oh. Baka pag may oras siya, ito na yung gamitin. Ipapalit ba? So, punta muna ako dito kasi nandito yung crew ni Jan, tsaka yung girlfriend. So, makipag-chikahan din tayo. Dito na kami, guys!
You got to make your bed, get everything there.
Where's Zach?
Look, Holly's bed, fresh.
Yes.
Take mine out, it's got sand in it.
Oh,
Kuya, can you get me cheese stick, please? Can I have one?
Mum.
Yeah.
I've been in there for like 5-7 months.
It's still alright. Oh, alright.
don't get crumbs on the bed.
Alright. So, daming stick ko dito. Nanonood na kami ng cricket dito, guys. Oh, ayan. Yung dalawang boys, kakain daw sila ng lunch na ano daw, adobo. Adobo yung gusto nila. Sabi ko, sige, may rice naman doon. So, hindi na natin kailangan magluto. Baba, this same clothes from yesterday.
Oh, cause I slept on the couch and then Dad got me and put it in the...
Oh, di ba? Natulog siyang ganito. Ako natulog ako ng ganito.
Oh, that's a...
Maglalaba ako. Yung tablecloth, nasa washing, guys, kasi nag-oil yung ano, natapon yung ano kaldereta kahapon. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya natapon. Nagli-leak pala. Nagli-leak from ano, foil. And si Jan, ayan. Hiran. Nagpakuha ko ng ano. Legs. Oh, yan ang aking lunch. Lunch. Dami pa nating food as there's legs. Lots of legs.
Yeah, no.
No meat
That's
for
the
you.
only bit.
Ayan po, guys, ang food natin. Oh, hindi talaga ako magluluto hanggang dito maubos. I wanna take this out. Okay, yan. Oh. Di ba? Yum. Sige, kain muna ako, guys. Then, laba-laba. Isa lang ko muna pala yung lalabang ko bago tayo kumain. Lagay tayo ng sabon. Alright.
Where's the towel?
Where's all your towels? Magsiswimming daw sila. Kasi kumain na sila eh. Okay na yan. Kain, ay, yung suka na may chili. Ang daming chili kong nilagay, guys. Ay, hindi nyo makita. Ayan, kain.
Can I have a box?
By what?
This rice and adobo.
Adobo? Magsiswimming sila. Kasi may swimming pool na tayo.
Me one with no fat. I don't want.
Yeah, I don't want the fat either. Pero yung family ko, ay family ni Jang, gusto nila yung taba. Si Jace, ang dami niyang nakain. Dami niyang nakain na taba. Si Holly, favorite niya to.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Kain tayo, go. Ang adobo. Kanin lamig lang tayo. Harap. Ang adobo, mas masarap pag matagal nang naluto. Yung ilang araw na. Gusto kong kainin yung taba, pero hindi ko siya kayang malunok din eh. Pero ang sarap tingnan. The best part sa kanila ay yung taba. Kahapon hindi ako nakapag-phone. Busy tayo sa family. Wala talaga. Hindi na tayo nakapag-ID story. May aeroplanong dalawa or yung maliit lang na plane, private plane, dalawa, pa balik-balik.
Is that my own? Or are you just gonna pay me?
Okay. I think you eat already.
I was holding TJ.
Just all in TJ. Sarap. Tapos na yung Christmas, no? Bilis. New Year naman. Sa can I have water, please? That Coca-Cola. Yes, please. Full, please.
Huh?
Full.
What's not full?
Thank you.
Welcome.
Are you gonna get your own?
Yeah, I just want the fried rice.
Fried rice? Okay. May fried rice pa si Nana dyan. Ito gusto ko siya kainin lang alone. Ito ang...
Everyone's ate the fried rice. Not even there.
Ang sarap. Bagong huli ito ni Dad kahapon. Kaya sobrang fresh. Ang best part sa lobster para sa akin ay legs. Si Jan, yung tail. Shaq, turn up the TV, Shaq.
Yeah, well, I'm just getting fries for... Oh my god.
Si Kuya. Tsaka si Holly nasa pool na.
Should I have adobo?
I don't know, it's up to you. You have to heat it up now.
Oh, then it doesn't matter. I'll just...
So what you gonna eat? This is full of fried rice and pancit.
I might get one.
Yeah, pancit. Sit here next to me. Meron pa tayong pancit. Lola, Nana.
There we go.
Ito. Slow down.
Okay.
Dami niya rin kinuha. More pancit sa kanya. Are you gonna swim? What do you like in rice, Zach? Do you like your rice hot or old?
Cold.
Cold. Same as me.
More tastier.
More tastier. Ayun yung mainit na kanin. But you like this. Tapos na si Sak. Andun na siya sa pool. Ito yung best part sa lobster. Oh, tingnan nyo guys. Oh, ang saya pag nabubuo ko siya na matanggal sa shell. Narinig nyo sila. Ang ingay.
Give me sword!
Si Jan, ang galing nito ni Jan. Ah, wala na pala itong laman. Wala na pala yun ng laman. Oh, di ba? Saya-saya lang pag nabubuo siya. Ayan, naputol. Mas malambot ang shell ng lobster kaysa crab. Yung mga legs ba? Yung sa crab, matigas. Sarap. Tapos na ba? Yeah. Ito mataba ito. Mataba ito, mataba. Oh. Ayan, malambot lang siya. Ayan siya guys. Oh. Sarap. Tigas na to. Naubos natin. Thank you, Lord. Sarap. Okay, busog na tayo. Punta natin yung mga bata. Dito sila sa labas. Yan yung kanila. Kayakan dito. Dito sila. Well, fold it. Hang it, and then when it's dry, we're gonna put it back in the box.
What?
Because you wanna use that next time.
I did.
Gusto nilang itapon si Oli sa pool. You're wet. Si Kuya na Don't hug me, you're wet. Don't throw water, Kuya. Ayan yung pool. What?
Big one.
Where is it? How come?
The blue one, I think.
How come?
I don't know.
Where's the noodle? Oh yeah. Why you lost the other one? How come you lost it? It should be some. Oh wow. What's this, Kuya? Pump? Clean? To clean?
Filter pump.
Filter pump. Wow, may filter pump. Go! Go in the pool, Baba! Go, Baba! Swim! Don't say that. You don't hate your brother. You love your brother. Stop it now, yeah. Is Daddy here? Fight with the I don't know what you call that. Use the tube. Tube. Oh, kusak! That tube. Not on the head, okay? Just on your body. Halaya. Tapping up princess. Go, Zach! Go, yeah! Oh my God! Allah. Hoy! May camera! Babasa na tayo. Don't do that, Holly, because it's gonna get you again. Is that a better pull than before? Is that a better pull than before we had? Is that better pull than we had before?
Oi, let's take all the stuff, yeah?
Ready, set, go! I'll fight pa. Nakasampay na tayo, guys. Actually, si Jan tsaka si Kuya ang nagsampay, and dessert kami. Ayan, dessert si Jan with with cream. Everything with cream for Johnny Boy. Ayan yung custard cake natin. Ano? Good. Si Kuya nagme-merienda na, guys. 2:00 na. What are you doing, ya?
Put this in a roll.
Pansit na ipapalaman niya sa bread roll. Okay. Kanina naputol tayo kasi puno na yung SD card ko nung finifilm ko sila sa pool.
Now there's 3 clothes on the ground, Zach.
Zach! Oh, wow, yeah. Yeah? Pancit. Filipino style. Ang bilis naman ni Johnny Boy. Okay. My turn.
No. I got screw ready. Screw ready.
Naubos niya guys. More pa daw siya. More pa daw.
Put it like this in there. Battery.
Yeah. Oops. Sarap ng cake. Diba? Yung bisita natin kahapon, busog na busog sila guys. Yun naman dapat talaga. Dapat busog ang bisita natin. Ganyan siya kumain guys. Sweet cream. After ng cake, kumakain ako ng Doritos. Yung bago nila guys, masarap to. Yung may guacamole and salsa and sisak. Nag-edit pala ako. Sisak fruit salad.
Mom, you should like guacamole.
Guacamole, that's avocado, yeah.
Yeah, but it's so good.
Yeah. Tingnan nyo. Baliktad si Sak. After dessert, sandali lang. After dessert, nag-roast roll siya. May roast tayo, diba? Ayan. Yung beef yan, yung tira. May konting tirang beef. Tapos, meron tayong lamb. Nasa fridge. Nilagay doon ni John. Kuya!
I'm having another fish.
Ha?
I'm having another fish.
My God, after the pancit?
No,
Yes?
that's 5 bread rolls. That's his fish.
Are you sure, Tyron? Is that your fifth? How many?
4.
Fourth. And
There's only a 3 fully have bomb.
dumating na yung aking pre-order na alahas. May nag-order sa ating alahas. So, ayan, na-order ko na yung alahas niya. Ilan to? 2, 3. 3 ata sila. Tapos, meron pang iba dito. So, yeah. Yan, meron tayong... Kung gusto nyo guys mag-pre-order ng mga alahas, let me know. Ayan.
Mommy,
Yeah, si Holly nagpo-fruit salad din siya, oh.
look. Do I put it back in the fridge?
Yes, please. Wow, sarap. That's ano na kuya. You already had lunch, right?
What?
Lunch. You had lunch.
What was lunch?
You had adobo and rice.
Right? Breakfast.
Oh my God. Kuya, that was 11. 11 o'clock.
No, that was 10.
No, 11
Yeah, when
o'clock.
did I have a...
Still eating.
I know, right? 11 o'clock kaya yun nung nasa caravan ako. Yes.
I'm having another fruit salad.
Honey, can you cover that one, please?
Fruit salad, please.
Holly, second. That's your second fruit salad. Diba? Eating all the leftover, that's good. And me editing. Look at Zachary, Han. He had fruit salad and after he eats. I know that. You have to eat your roast roll before your dessert. Time check, 5:03 na guys. Saving na yung aking inedit and merienda is pancit. Combination ng cake, yung custard cake. Ang sarap. O, diba? Kain pa more. Okay. Saving na to. Dinner na si Jan. Nakaligo na rin siya. Yan yung lamb.
Oh, what kind of friend, man?
Tapos na siya kumain ng dinner. Ayan. Let me see how many left on.
They gotta be eaten.
Yeah. Si Jan kumuha ng dessert. Yung dala ni auntie. Gustong-gusto niya. Ito. Passion fruit. Ayan guys. Passion fruit. Natin for today is eating. Eating all day. Guys, we're gonna close the vlog. Gabi na dito kami sa caravan. I know. Si Zachary and Holly sleep already. Okay, we're gonna close the vlog. Dito kayo sa caravan tulog. Okay, close the vlog, kuya.
Guys, we're gonna close the
Huh?
vlog.
Thank you.
Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on the next vlog. Bye.
Good night.
Night.
Tulog na yung dalawa dun.
Because I think I do